In this video, I will show you how to add or change your website logo in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger. To add your logo first, as you can see, I don't have a logo yet. To add a new logo, just select the header section, then go to Edit Header. Now go to the Elements tab and first enable your logo. Now, as you can see, I still have no logo. Now go again to the logo tab and click on replace image. Select your logo. If you have your logo on your computer, click on upload files, then upload it from your computer. You can also select a logo from your library. I don't know why these library images are not showing up. It was an internet issue. As you can see, now I have a logo, my photos showing up. Click on your photo, click select. As you can see, it was now added to my logo section. You can edit the logo width. For example, you can make it smaller or bigger. And that's all. To change your logo, just click on your logo. This little window will open up. Click on replace photo. Now select another photo and adjust it just like that, and don't forget to update your website, to click on update your website. And this is how to change or add a logo to your website in Hostinger Website Builder.